Starting AAT Level 2? Your first exam, Introduction to Bookkeeping, really tests one skill: knowing what to debit and what to credit. Here is the whole system in one sentence. Every transaction has two entries, a debit and a credit, and they always match. Forget your bank statement. Debit simply means the left side of an account. Credit means the right. Nothing more mysterious than that. The mnemonic that does the work is DEADCLIC. Two halves. DEAD tells you what debits increase. CLIC tells you what credits increase. DEAD. Debits increase expenses, assets and drawings, cash, equipment, and money the owner takes out. CLIC. Credits increase liabilities, income, and capital. Think loans, sales, and money the owner puts in. And to decrease any of them, simply use the opposite side. An asset going down is a credit. Easy as that. Quick example. The business buys goods for £500, paid from the bank. Purchases is an expense, so debit purchases. The bank is an asset going down, so credit bank 500. Debits equal credits. Balanced. Every entry works this way. Now the trap. The owner takes £200 for personal use. That is not an expense. That is drawings. Drawings increase, so debit drawings. Bank decreases, so credit bank. Remember, drawings never count as a business cost. Exams love testing this. That is the foundation of everything in accounting. For structured AAT training online wherever you are in the world, check out Sepera College, link below. Good luck.